Hello, class. Today we will talk about social media news and learning useful English words.
I saw a big news story this morning about a famous live streamer on the internet.
The police started a legal investigation because some people broke important business laws.
Can you explain the simple meaning of the word investigation in everyday English?
An investigation means officers carefully check facts and look for true information about problems.
That makes sense, and I understand why police officers must do their job carefully.
When people do business online, they must always follow honest rules and pay taxes.
Many young people watch videos every day and buy products from online stores.
Buyers must check product quality carefully before they spend their hard-earned money.
What other English words can we use when we talk about online shopping safely?
You can use words like customer, seller, receipt, legal rules, and fair price.
I will write these words in my notebook so I can remember them easily.
Now, let us talk about social media posts and why polite words matter online.
Some creators post angry videos just to get views, likes, and fast attention.
Bad content can harm young students and cause negative thinking in our local community.
We should only support creators who share positive messages and help other people.
That is a very good attitude for every modern digital citizen to have today.
What should someone do if they see illegal actions happening on social networks?
They can report the bad accounts and tell the local authorities immediately.
Reporting bad behavior helps protect other internet users from losing their money.
Yes, safety on the internet depends on all of us working together every day.
I want to practice speaking more English sentences about rules and daily laws.
Repeat after me. Everyone must obey the law both online and in real life.
Everyone must obey the law both online and in real life.
Your pronunciation is very clear, and your rhythm sounds very natural today.
Thank you, teacher. I practice reading out loud every morning before school starts.
Let us practice another sentence. Honest business builds trust with all your customers.
Honest business builds trust with all your customers and partners in work.
Great job. Adding the word partners made your sentence even more complete.
How do we talk about charity work using simple and correct English words?
Charity means giving help, food, or money to people who really need support.
Charity organizers must always be honest and show clear financial records to public.
Transparency is important so that people know their donations reach poor families safely.
Transparency is a new word for me. Can you spell it for me?
It is spelled Transparency, and it means clear and open for everyone to see.
I will practice this useful word because it appears in many business articles.
Now let us discuss why spreading false information online can be very dangerous.
False rumors confuse ordinary people and create unnecessary fear in our daily lives.
Always check trusted news sources before you share any story with your friends.
I always look at official websites to confirm important events before I post.
That is a very smart habit that prevents fake news from spreading widely.
What should young students remember when they start their own small online business?
They must register their business properly and sell safe, genuine products to everyone.
Genuine products mean real goods that are not fake or harmful to health.
Exactly. Protecting consumer health is one of the highest responsibilities in any trade.
I am learning so many practical English sentences in our conversation today.
Learning English through real daily topics helps you remember words much longer.
Can we practice a short conversation between a buyer and an online seller?
Sure, pretend that you want to buy a new jacket from my store.
Hello, can you please tell me the price and origin of this jacket?
This jacket costs $20 and it has an official quality warranty paper.
Does the total price include shipping costs to my home address in town?
Yes, shipping is completely free if you confirm your order before 5 o'clock.
That is wonderful. I will pay using my secure bank card right now.
Thank you for your order. We will send your official receipt via email.
That simple dialogue was very easy to follow and useful for daily life.
Notice how clear and polite language makes business seem smooth and very pleasant.
I will always try to speak politely when I communicate on digital platforms.
Good manners and legal awareness will help you succeed in work and studies.
What should we do if we see someone trying to cheat online?
Never send money to unknown accounts and warn your family members about risks.
My parents always tell me to double-check every online payment before clicking.
Your parents give very wise advice that keeps your family savings safe daily.
Let us review some of the key vocabulary words from our class today.
We learned investigation, transparency, genuine, law, charity, customer, and official receipt today.
All 7 words are very practical for reading international news and business articles.
Try to make one new sentence using the word law before we finish.
Good citizens always respect the law and help build a peaceful neighborhood together.
That is an excellent sentence with accurate grammar and a meaningful message inside.
Thank you very much, teacher, for guiding me through this important lesson today.
You worked very hard today, so keep practicing your English every single day.
I will review my notes tonight and share this knowledge with my friends.
Have a wonderful evening and see you in our next conversational English class.
Goodbye, teacher. Have a safe trip home, and see you next time again.
Goodbye, take care of yourself, and stay safe both online and offline.
Thank you. I will definitely remember all your valuable advice from this session.